Why is the HELP methodology so unique in the field of human rights education for legal professionals?
There are many reasons why HELP methodology is so unique. So I will not cite all of them, but insist on main 2 points, which I think are of crucial importance. First of all is the construction of legal sources. For lawyers, it is very important to rely on the right sources, and I would say also in the right combination. And what is unique with the HELP methodology is that legal sources are constructed in such a way that the European Convention, Council of Europe, other Council of Europe instruments, and case law of the European Court of Human Rights are not presented as an alien element, an element alien to the domestic legal system. So we try to merge the convention material with the domestic legal material. And this is how we get the convention material closer to domestic legal professionals. So this is one very important point about HELP program, is that, as you know, the convention, we say the convention is a living instrument, and it lives in the decisions and judgments of the European Court of Human Rights, but also in decisions and judgment of domestic courts. So our education curricula and professional training curricula need to rely on both domestic court material and European court material. And this is how we bring the curricula closer to domestic legal professionals. So this is one very important point about HELP methodology. Another important point, which is connected to the first one, is that we try to make HELP curricula fully adaptable to the domestic legal system. So we usually use the word tailor-made. So our curricula are tailor-made. It is difficult to find two identical curricula in two different countries. So they are country-specific. So we do not only translate our curricula into national language, but we also translate them into domestic legal language. So we get them closer to domestic legal professionals. And this is where we try to make an additional step presently. We try to make our curricula not only country specific, but also specific to a particular legal profession. So I will give you an example of our course, which is being devised on admissibility of evidence in criminal proceedings. So if you teach this course to judges, to lawyers, or to investigators or to prosecutors, the perspective will be different. And sometimes even sources will be different. Basic sources will be the same, but you could add sources depending on the profession to which you address. And this is something also very important. We may have the same course on the same topic to be addressed in slightly different ways depending on the profession we address. And this is another point which is sometimes called diversification of HELP. Obviously, we have limited resources, limited means within the program, but we are very much helped by national training institutions, which bring our courses closer to a particular legal profession. And we support their actions as best as we can.